How to copy message in WhatsApp web. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp web. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to the text from which you want to copy message in. Simply select the text or simply right click on the text and you'll find all these options pop up. You'll find copy selection below reply. Click on copy selection and then your copied message, you can paste it where you want to paste it. As you can see, same copied message is pasted in chat box. This is how to copy message in WhatsApp web. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.